Avoid knee surgery with this delicious cinnamon pineapple smoothie recipe. Most people associate knee pain with old age and weakness, and, due to this, they just put up with the pain until the damage becomes much worse. Not only does it hurt, it can also keep us from being able to perform our daily tasks. Our legs hold up all of our weight, so knee injuries and serious swelling are frequent, and often accompanied by persistent pain. Some of the most common causes of knee pain are sports injuries, fractures, arthritis, damage to the cartilage, and sometimes tumors. In many cases, the problem can only be treated through surgery, but there are still several cases in which natural remedies can help tremendously. In today's video, we're going to show you a recipe that will help you for sure. After all, you can't have the lifestyle you want when you live with chronic pain. This recipe is for a drink made out of oatmeal, pineapple, and cinnamon. It's rich in nutrients such as vitamin C, magnesium, silicon, and bromelain. The bromelain that's found in pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce muscular and joint pain, especially the ones caused by intense physical activity. Apart from bromelain, pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which helps prevent several bone diseases and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains manganese, which helps your bones, quickens your metabolism, and helps your body absorb calcium and regulate blood sugar. This recipe will basically strengthen your tendons and knee ligaments. See for yourself how easy it is. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of water, 1 cup of oatmeal flour, 40 grams of honey, 2 cups of cubed pineapple, 1 cup of orange juice, 1/2 teaspoons of powdered cinnamon, 40 grams of crushed almonds. Instructions: boil the water and add the flour as it's boiling, stirring it constantly. Next, put the pineapple, honey, almonds, orange juice, and cinnamon in the blender. Once that's done, stir both mixtures together. Drink it immediately. If you want to, add some ice cubes. You can drink this as often as you'd like. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.